SAPS Legal Services head Marga van Rooyen insisting that Police Minister Senzo Mchunu lacked the authority, that's right, she says lacked the authority to order the PKTT, the Political Killing Task Team's disbandment. Van Rooyen says the National Commissioner alone governs police structure, as she testified earlier today before the Matlanga Commission.
Did the minister have the power to direct or command the closure of a task team that was investigating crimes? And in my view, he did not have that authority because it relates to the operations, investigating cases and the operations of the police. In other words, the execution of the police's mandate in terms of Section 205(3). If we say the National Commissioner is responsible to manage and control the police service, that must be linked to manage and control the police service in the execution of its constitutional mandate. And the decision of a minister to close a political task team that was responsible for the investigation of crime, in my view, fell outside the mandate or authority of the minister.